Did it get you? It has been way too long since we felt the ocean.
I don't care.
Oh. Here it comes. This is a big one. It's gonna get you, Auntie. Hey, Becker Trekkers. We're here in Mazatlan, Mexico. We are having a great time. We're staying at the Riu Emerald Bay. Riu recently added a new section to the tower section you see here, right over here. The new section has 3 floors, kind of like in a horseshoe shape, and we'll give you a more in-depth look at that. But they also added a water park, kids center, another adult swim up bar, another big pool. So stay tuned for all the segments on this fantastic resort, the Riu Emerald Bay. And also watch for our upcoming tours of Mazatlan. You can see the coastline is just gorgeous. Got a little bit of islands and mountains there, and then the curve around the coast. Good waves. The undertow is a little strong this time of year in April, so watch for the flags and don't go too deep. But what that does also is create amazing seashell picking, and so you can see like there's so many cool seashells and fossils and coral. We found a piece of lava rock that washed up, and of course the kiddos love digging in the sand, making sand castles, getting in there. But look at all these shells. Sand just blows my mind. You know? Full shell.
I really hope a big wave doesn't come into
There we go. Let's check on what Anton's doing here. Sand. Got some live music bands over there. Street vendors, or beach vendors I should say, selling everything from hats, umbrella rentals. I saw donuts walk by, cups walk by. Just watch that if you're going to do a tour, buy it from a reputable source. Sometimes if the price looks too good and the tour looks too good to be true, then it probably is. So we recommend as travel agents to go with a tour company. The hotel has lots of suggestions for those tour companies. Us as agents have lots of suggestions as well, and can find some great tours for a great price, and they will be reputable, keep you safe, happy and healthy for those tours, instead of some of the beach vendors. We've bought a couple of floaties from the beach vendors, a couple of hats, braids. That stuff is kind of fun and fine. You're not too disappointed if your floaty is a knockoff, but if you're spending a little bit of cash for a tour, you can be disappointed quite quickly if they don't show up, or it's not advertised, or what it is advertised, or missing some pieces to it, or more money than you thought it was. So definitely go with a reputable company when you're booking these tours in Mazatlan. Oh, and I'm just in love with the pelicans. You see them far off here. They fly in a straight line over top, creating shadows for the first one, and then the third one or the last one will dip and grab a fish. Just amazing how they work together to get fed, and then they'll switch around and go into a lineup again and dip down and fill their beaks up with the fish. I love it.
It's so nice to walk out in the water. See, there's a reef over there. Oh, there comes Dave. He's a recruited Becker trucker now.
That's the trucker. Can't go wrong.
Pretty good sized waves happening. Whoa! I can't believe how shallow it is out here.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Yeah. Tuesday we're going to go out on a catamaran, so we'll get that for you guys too. Here comes the tidal wave. Woohoo! Jump! Whoa! Oh! Knocked me on the butt. You just did a little splash and it's just salt, eh? Woohoo! Crazy! Oh, Dave's gone! Oh, there he is! Just like a fish. Not to get philosophical on you guys, but the ocean is amazing. Like Rumi said, you are not a drop in the ocean, you didn't tie the ocean in the drop. Look at you guys! Woohoo! Dug yourself a big hole, did you? Nice soft landing, hey?
Did you wash off? So Becker Trekkers Mazatlan has a little bit of some waves on the beach. But you can still have fun in the surf. Great for shell picking. Great for walking on the beach and going for a cool dip. You just don't want to go too far out. Could do some body surfing. These guys are having fun in the waves. And you can't beat that sound. Listen. Oh, I have missed the roar of the waves. Ugh. It's been 3 long years since we've been able to get to the ocean. It's about 30 degrees Celsius today. It's been like that all week, hovering around 29, 30, 31, 32. And we're at the end of April, mid-April. So, you know, it gets a little bit warmer, more consistent throughout that season. And it's another day, another party at the pool. They're having another foam party today. And we'll probably go swim in some bubbles too. We like those foam parties. Hola! Yeah, you can buy some masks. No, thank you. Buy some wrestling masks. Everything you can need on the beach. And the kiddies are having a blast in the ocean here. Even if they don't go swimming. Hey, you! They love running away from the waves. Hey, you!
Traveling light and living simple. Soon a melody begins to rise. Traveling light which side is green, you're satisfied. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied.